My most requested video literally ever. So this is how I slay my blowouts. It's this Kerastase Defense Genesis. It's a leave-in and I freaking love it. It's my favorite leave-in I've ever tried. Now don't hate me, but I use the Blake Brown mousse and honestly, it's pretty fucking good. I can't even lie. I use a lot of this and it smells amazing. I'll get, oh my god, compliments on the way my hair smells days after using it, so that's probably why it's my favorite. Section my hair to like around my temple areas. I'm probably breaking a hair roll by mixing these together. It's the Color Wow Dream Cocktail. This is like the thickening one, and this is my favorite thing ever. If you bleach your hair, you will love this. It helps with breakage. I do about a pump of each. Maybe a little bit more of this one if I'm being honest. Put this through my ends. My hair is soaking wet right now, so I'm gonna rough dry it with my Shark blow dryer. I could not live without this thing. Get it to like just a little bit less wet than this. I don't know what percent. Switching it to the round brush attachment, and I just go section by section. About this much hair. Main objective right now is to just smooth it out so it's not a frizzy poofy mess. Do this basically on my entire head. That section's done. I clip it back. I don't have the thickest hair in the world, so it only takes me about 3 sections to do this in about 30 minutes. I like to go section by section to make sure I'm evenly getting all my hair and I'm not like frying it off with that blow dryer. I take the clip out. There's usually a little crease. Actually, we're doing good today, but I like to go over all of it. I pretty much do everything the exact same, except I just go upwards, which is an arm workout and a half. Good luck. 3 sections on top too. I am gonna roll the top section. I feel like it makes a huge difference. About halfway, and then I wrap it. And then I start to roll back. I feel like it's so much easier to keep it neat. Like duckbill clips right at the base, and these hold pretty freaking well. I'm just gonna do 2 rollers because I kind of grabbed a big section and I'm really tired. Could leave it at a sleek blowout like this, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the lazy blowout non-roller head version and just use like my little air wrap. Just do big sections. Mainly just want the end curled. Last one, I told you this was really easy. Boom. I use this Bumble and Bubble thickening spray. Just a light amount. A light amount as I spray, like a lot. Already see this gives it the blowout effect more. Just gonna go ahead and take these out. I know you're supposed to twist them, but I never get that right, and I feel like it doesn't make that giant of a difference. Yeah, and this is where all the volume's at. And boom, there you go. You have a bombshell blowout. It did take an arm workout in about 35 to 40 minutes, but I'd say it's a slay myself.